a demon who no longer eats people. Once upon a time, there was a very strong-willed man. One day, when a man was working in the mountains, a terrible cannibal suddenly appeared and swallowed the man. But strong-willed men are not afraid at all. Oh, this is the throat of the Oni. When the man went ahead, he went out to a place surrounded by a red wall. Suddenly, when I look ahead, there are 3 string-like things hanging from the top. What is this? The man tried to pull a string. At that time, Oni sneezed a big snee. Ha, 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 Hakusen. I see, this is a string of sneeing. The man tried to pull another string. Then Oni opened his big mouth. Wahaha, wahaha. And I started laughing. It's getting interesting. The man tried to pull the last string. Then Oni, who had been laughing until a while ago, suddenly started crying. Wah, wah. This is interesting. A string of sneezy, a string of laughter, a string of crying. What will happen if I pull the string all at once? When the man gripped the 3 strings together, he tried to pull them as hard as he could. Well, it's tough. Hakushin. Wah, ha, ha. Wah, wah. Oni sneezes, laughs, and makes a big fuss. But the man doesn't stop pulling the string. Oni is in pain, and he is about to collapse. Well, it's about time to leave. When the man made 3 strings, he pulled the sneezing string with all his strength. Ha, 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 Hakusen. Oni sneezed a lot and took the man out of his mouth. The man said to Oni, who was crying in pain, "Hey, it's Oni. Do you want to swallow it again?" Bull bull bull. No way. When Oni shook her head to the side, she ran away in a haste. After such a thing happened, Oni never eats humans again. The end.